Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be playing Escape the Construction Site obby. Today I'm playing with Emmanuel at 26. So make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Make sure to comment to subscribe to tomorrow's my user. And subscribe to Roblox Calls Me, which is Emmanuel at 26, which is my username. So let's go. So Emmanuel at 26.
Yeah.
Ready? Jump.
Yep.
Oh, red one. Oh no. Oh, I forgot to read.
To get out of here. The construction site is falling apart and everyone's getting injured. Uh-oh.
Comment down below, guys, if you ever played this video, right? This game. What am I saying? This game. Like it. Oh, I did it. I never played.
What am I gonna do? I did it.
Okay, I'm gonna go checkpoint. I'm gonna read what he's gonna say. Whoa, look at the size of these hammers. I would avoid falling into the tar. What is tar? Tar.
I think it's the thing on yours.
Nope. Don't. Help me!
Help me! I'm coming. Oh, but I don't want to sink in the stink, so.
Yes, I did it. Climb up the ladder. Ladder.
You can do your funeral after.
Can we touch the cones?
I don't think so.
Oh no.
No.
No, you can't. Nope, you can't. So.
Revive. Just imagine this was real life, guys. We could just be reviving, never dying.
You killed me.
How did I kill you?
You moved in front of me and it distracted me. It's okay. Can you wait for me?
Yeah. I'm just. This thing was just.
How? I barely touched it. Where did I touch it?
You got this.
Oh no.
I'm coming back. No, but I died in the same time I was coming back. I let this thing. Good luck.
I'm gonna take that shortcut, honestly. I'm not taking.
Yeah, now jump. Yes.
Yes, I did it.
You did it, finally. After 100 years. Oh, no.
Yes.
And after 100 years, I die.
Yes, I did it.
I'm too
Climb
young
the ladder.
I'm too young to die.
Checkpoint. Okay. Help? Oh, he's being sucked into the pipes. Oh, I think we're supposed to go on these. Right?
Oh no! Look! Can you guys see that? There's like a guy. His head is in the yellow. We could like literally see him like
Are we supposed to be going on these?
Help! I'm coming.
Emanuela.
Yeah.
Are we supposed to be jumping on those?
The pipes.
Yeah.
I see you over there. Yep, you are not. Oh my gosh!
I did it.
I can do this. And I did it.
He's screaming. Ah!
Did he? Where is he? No, I don't wanna. Well.
Guys, one like equals helping him. One like every like we will help this person. Poor guy. And this person. It's like fire in the hole. He's just twisting around.
Where is he?
Oh no, I died.
That guy said everyone's getting injured. That guy is the most one.
Guys, make sure to like so you guys can help this person get out of this, right?
We could, yeah. Hopefully.
Oh no, I did the same mistake. Same mistake.
I hate this one so hard. Is this supposed to happen? My head's supposed to crawl on my legs, then my leg is supposed to cut up.
Why do I keep doing the same mistake? It's so hard. It is so hard.
Look, someone has no face and no hair. Oh my god.
This is so hard, guys. Comment down below if you guys feel like you want to quit this obby, but you need to do it.
Help us out. Break the screen and let me get out.
Yes.
You can do this, buddy.
Yes.
You got this.
Yes, I did it.
Oh yeah.
1,000 years later.
No.
No.
I can't can't touch it. No. I made it too far. It would be better if there
Oh,
were
where am I going? I'm going backwards.
Guys, it would be better if there were like a checkpoint here because I just died and now I'm really stressed. I'm coming.
How hard could this
I don't
part
want to
be?
be.
No.
I told you it's really hard. It would be better if there was like a checkpoint.
How much is it to skip a stage?
I wouldn't do it.
I would.
The fun about
Or
it.
like I wouldn't, because
the fun
obbies are about
obbies
to.
is that you're doing an obby.
So like, there's no point to have a jetpack.
There's no point to have a jailbreak like jailbreak.
Oh, you died?
For me?
Yeah.
No. I'm coming! I don't want to die in this one. Please don't die, please don't die. Please don't die! I was about to touch it, guys.
Guys, I'm doing it.
Don't you dare push me, buddy. I'm telling you. My punching skills are really good.
Watch out for these giant saws. How?
Ew.
Oh.
Ew. Okay.
Oh.
Well, the saw really
No,
cut
no,
me.
no, 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 no. How did I do this? How?
Move your hand,
Oh.
boy.
Can I touch the yellow?
I don't think so.
Well, the yellow looks more safe.
Yeah. And the
Oh,
yellow
you
is
can't touch the yellow. You cannot. I thought that was a glitch.
I jumped on top of the yellow and I didn't die.
I died. I died.
I jumped on. Did you know one time I jumped on the yellow and I did not die, but now I died.
On top of the yellow.
I died.
Yes,
The
I did
yellow.
it. The trick is to go really close, then jump. So.
But not too close, like touching close, like I just died. Okay, okay.
No, 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 no. I was at the last one and I I died. Not barely.
I'm always hitting his hand. Really. No, don't die. Please don't die. I'm so close.
I touched it.
I'm too close to die. Ugh.
Skip stage.
How much Robux?
Should I check? How much?
I don't know.
Check.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay, after this. If I make it! Looks like I'm gonna make it, but I didn't.
Yes, I did it.
Wait, buddy. Oh, it's 35 Robux.
These mud hills are very sticky. How do you know?
I played this game a million times. Because you know, YouTubers always check the game before they play it. And I did it! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! You don't know how hard
Jumping over the screws.
You don't know how long it took me to pass that level when
Middle
I was
one?
testing this
Oh.
game. Okay, when we're done.
Okay.
And I did my checkpoint.
So it's the middle one, right one, and left one, if I'm correct. Oh, this is so long.
Is it the middle one? Is it the middle?
Yes.
Okay. Is it this one?
Yes.
And it's this one.
The really far one, yeah.
Yeah. Come on.
Obviously. No, I was about to fall down. No. Oh.
My head is going bounce, 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 bounce.
I just saw bodies falling out of the sky.
Oh no. This is going to be really unstable.
Don't touch the white prince.
Oh no, please don't die. I don't want to die.
That's pretty simple.
Don't you die. That was scary.
Jump. Oh, the white is poisonous.
Don't touch
The white.
the white ink on the giant blueprint.
Yeah.
How?
That's pretty simple.
Instead of saying all of these words, you could just say how.
No, 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 no.
I could do this.
It's harder than you think.
I did it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
How?
You go like this. Wait, I don't want to die.
I didn't touch
You go
it.
like this, then you go like this. But I died.
So you have to redo it?
Yeah.
No.
I didn't do the checkpoint. Great.
Oh, I hate having wings.
Don't worry, we're gonna disappeared soon.
Oh, look what I'm doing.
Well, how are you gonna get off?
I'm just gonna skip manually. Is this a glitch? What I just did?
No, but you're gonna have to go and still do the. How did you?
It's called glitches.
But did you do? Did you go on the checkpoint?
Yes, I won. Oh, the walls are poisonous
Come
again.
on, people. You know these walls could kill us. So why are you guys? Are you guys helping him, making us die? I think so.
Okay, this is too stressing. According to my calculations.
I should dip up for some kind of reason, but I think I did it. I did it! We did it! Is that?
Oh,
Okay. I got a bag.
oh, you finished?
Well, at least we got away from all that chaos. Well, what's that
Jump.
guy doing? I'm looking for a secret badge. Can you help me find it? Is it that badge? I went over there. Right there. That's the badge we're looking for, buddy?
Oh, we finished.
What's this?
Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Make sure to subscribe to Roblox Calls Me and tomorrow's my username, this which is my channel. Make sure to follow Emmanuel286 and Red Soccer Cuckoo, which is my username, guys, and see you next time. Bye guys.
Bye, guys.